So guys, Thomas here, tipper parts, Rc-Xtreme, down to the gravel pit. Traxxas ERevo 2.0. Excellent, Thomas. Would be good if you could do one jump before you break it. Or not sure how I would break it, because I think I had one arm. That's the only thing on this one. I think I need to go up. I think I mixed up. I'm using 700 SET and I'm starting to think that it was 900. But what the heck. Handle is great. I think I'm running 10k rear, 200 mid or something like that. Don't wanna do some turtle time here. As you can see, it's the D-Boots Copperhead 2 on Desperado 3.8 Proline rims. Well, at least we got 2 jumps, and then we were too effing lazy to take the car down and turn around the RC car. If I'm lucky, yes, I know I am. It's just a glue bead. Yeah. So yeah, that's it, guys. What you don't have in your head, you have in your feet. Oh. Bye bye.